Hello Bladers! If you are a passenger in a long drive, and you're bored like me, then this video is perfect for you. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are some of my tips to fight boredom while in a long drive. Number 1. Gadgets. Since now is the generation where even kids have their own gadget, it's hard to find someone who doesn't have a phone. People depend on it and other gadgets for entertaining and communicating. Therefore, those gadgets should be must-have items for your road trips. Number 2. Music player. A car radio cannot serve everyone's style. Some prefers to listen to their own playlist, so bring a separate music player for your kids or other passengers who might have different preferences. Number 3. Tablet. Taking a laptop or tablet with several films is a great way to keep people entertained. So stock up on all those classic films you can enjoy watching in a road trip. Number 4. Handheld gaming consoles. Letting kids and occupants play games might be an acceptable solution in some cases to keep them in line for hours. Given like right now the Nintendo Switch is something they're all into. Number 5. USB car chargers. USB charger is a must to keep your gadgets working. Number 6. Toys. If your children cannot handle gadgets, toys might be ideal replacement. Plushy, stuffed toys. These toys are useful to keep younger ones comfortable and also offer them educational benefits. Number 7. Cards. Playing regular card or Uno games is also a good boredom fighter for some passengers. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.